Most people focus on rote learning as an approach to tackle the prelims exam. I would say that rote learning is not the right method to go for the prelims examination. This is not SSC. This is not state service examination. This is UPSC जहाँ पे rote learning पे ज़्यादा सवाल नहीं होता है. Almost every question can be solved by basic concepts. And these concepts can be learned if you follow from the strategy of mains perspective. Most questions are like that.
Because unless you clear prelims, you won't be able to give a mains examination. So, stay disciplined the most, study the most for the prelims, and likewise for every other stage, your burden will be decreased. If you study the most for the prelims, your mains will be less difficult and your interview will be even more less difficult than your main stage. So give your best for the prelims, prepare on every topic of the prelims so that it is related with your main study.
बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो बहुत बढ़िया नहीं कर पाए, तो to them my simple advice would be कि don't get disheartened. UPSC is a test of patience. UPSC is a test of your confidence. UPSC is a test of your dedication. And अगर आप एक प्रीलिम से अगर हार गए, then this may not be the best strategy to go about. Life में ऊपर नीचे उतार चढ़ाव आते रहते हैं. Life is not a bed of roses. तो निराश कभी नहीं होना है. जो भी आपकी इश्यूज रहे उसको प्लीज सॉल्व करिए.
Students really fear to start writing the answer. The main thing is that they fear whether I will able to write a good answer, whether I know all the contents to the answer. So these kind of hindrance they have to break. Once they try to write the answer, they will definitely do it.
Proper introduction है, proper main body है, proper conclusion है. Somehow you're also telling him or her that you're a very organized person. And they want people who are very logical in their thinking, very organized. And that will only come when you practice answer writing as well as answer writing in a test situation.
The person who writes maximum answers will be surely selected. आपके पास knowledge कम है, it's very good. It's very good, I'm telling you. But you should have very good writing skill. Writing skill अच्छा कर लो. Because I have seen this, many students I have seen they will create a library. इतना books पढ़ेंगे. And we're like, hell man, it's very tough actually to study so many books. I can't study that many books in fact.
I believe the day one answer writing practice की पढ़ाई शुरू किया नहीं कि आंसर लिखने बैठ गया, that should also be avoided. Otherwise आंसर पता ही नहीं तो लिखेंगे क्या, और लिखेंगे नहीं तो मोटिवेशन नहीं आएगा, then you feel भगवान ये क्या हो रहा है. So the only way forward is make notes. For mains you have to make comprehensive notes on every single topic that is mentioned in the syllabus and then revise it 2-3 times and then start writing answers. Otherwise सब कुछ फिर लफड़ा में पड़ जाएगा.
Earlier I used to take so much time thinking and writing descriptive, beautiful answers in the initial period, thinking that this will offset for the period that offset for the questions that I leave at the end. But that clearly didn't work out, and I am a fool to realize this after 4 years, 4 attempts. So please don't make that mistake. I made that mistake, yeah. As I said, I used to think examiner will look for something very sophisticated, taken from some research paper. But it's always doing that basic fundamentals right that will give good marks.
So I started preparing while I was in class, second year of the college, and my focus was to clear the concepts as much as I can. So instead of complicating the simple things, I tried to simplify the things, and I tried to focus on the basics, NCERTs, newspaper reading.
है कि जितने भी इंसान सक्सेसफुल हुए, अगर आप उसकी लाइफ स्टोरी देखेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं एक मोमेंट आता है जहां पे वो इंसान की जो स्ट्रगल है वो पीक पे हो जाते हैं. वो इस मोमेंट पे आपको डिसाइड करना है कि आपको वहां से यू टर्न लेना है या आपको वहां से आगे निकलना है. इन सब लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि उनको वहां से आगे निकलना है. एंड दैट इज द फंडा ऑफ लाइफ.
वजूद है वो इससे नहीं डिफाइन होगा. ये एक एग्जाम है, इससे कैसे आप डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि आप क्या इंसान हैं और आपकी क्या लाइफ है. आपकी पूरी लाइफ का सार
तब भी कहती हैं जब आपका नहीं हो.
नहीं, हाँ मैं तभी यही कहती थी.
आप बहुत सामान्य तरीके से दूसरे काम पे चली जाती.
हाँ, मैं तो कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में वापस जाने को पूरी तरह तैयार थी.